Welcome to the best picks. The best cordless snow blower is probably one of the most convenient tools for tackling winter's wrath. Designed for smaller spaces, these battery-powered marvels offer a hassle-free snow clearing experience, eliminating the need for gas and extension cords. In this video, we'll dive into the world of cordless snow blowers, exploring their features, performance, and what makes them a must-have for homeowners. Number 5. Snow Joe 24V IONMAX Cordless Snow Blower. This snow blower is powered by Snow Joe's 24-volt lithium-ion battery system. It provides zero-emission performance with two 4.0Ah batteries. It is a great choice for the environment. The snow blower has a heavy-duty rubber-tipped steel blade auger. It clears an 18-inch wide by 10-inch deep path in a single pass. This feature makes snow removal quick and efficient. You can direct snow exactly where you want it with the adjustable 180-degree chute control. It can throw snow up to 20 feet away. This gives you great control over the snow removal process. The snow blower includes a built-in 2-watt LED headlight. This ensures safer and more effective nighttime operation. You can clear snow anytime, day or night. Enjoy the freedom of a cordless design, free from extension cords. You can also expand your power by purchasing additional batteries. This doubles the runtime, allowing you to tackle even the heaviest snowfalls. What we like. This snow blower offers the ultimate cordless convenience, freeing you from the constraints of extension cords. It features an 18-inch clearing path, making quick work of your yard and walkways. Plus, the built-in LED headlight ensures you can clear snow safely, even at night. If you have a yard or need to clear snow in low-light conditions, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It handles one snow very easily, was particularly good on the patio where a shovel snags on bricks, and I could do the whole job on one battery charge. It careened down the long driveway and quickly plowed away the 8-layer like a hot knife through butter. It cuts through 8 of powder snow quickly and efficiently. It can bite away at the multiple piles that the city snow plows leave at the end of the driveway. Number 4. Snow Joe 24V Cordless Snow Shovel Kit. Introducing the Snow Joe 24V Cordless Snow Shovel Kit. This powerful tool makes removing snow from sidewalks, patios, and steps a breeze during the winter. It's designed to make your life easier. The Snow Joe features a tough, 2-blade auger. It clears an 11-inch wide and 7-inch deep path. It can throw snow up to 20 feet away. This cordless snow shovel offers convenient operation. The efficient battery and quick charger allow you to clear up to 370 square feet per charge. There's no need for gas or oil. Weighing only 11.8 pounds, this snow shovel is easy to handle. The ergonomic dual-handle design provides comfort and reduces strain. It's also very portable. The Snow Joe has a high-performance 400-watt motor. It moves up to 75 pounds of snow per minute. It's ideal for small to medium areas. What we like. This snow shovel is lightweight and incredibly portable, making it easy to maneuver around your deck, steps, and patio. It features an 11-inch clearing width, perfect for smaller areas. The ergonomic design ensures comfort and reduces strain during use. If you are looking for a lightweight and easy-to-handle solution for clearing snow from smaller spaces, this is the one for you. What people say. The Snow Joe is the real deal. The unit is powerful and hurls the snow a good 20 feet with no problem. It was easy to put together and I opted to go with the supplied battery. So far, so good. The battery holds a charge for a good 25 minutes before needing a recharge. Number 3. Ego Power Plus 24 Cordless Snow Blower SN2405. Introducing the EGO Power Plus Snow Blower. This powerful machine is designed to make snow removal a breeze. It's the perfect solution for tackling those tough winter conditions. This snow blower utilizes peak power technology, combining the power of two 56V arc lithium batteries. This innovative design ensures maximum performance and efficiency, allowing it to handle even the heaviest snowfall. With its impressive throwing distance, this snow blower can clear snow up to 50 feet away. This feature ensures that the snow is effectively removed from your path, leaving you with a clean and clear space. On a single charge, it can clear an 18-car driveway with 8 inches of snow. This remarkable efficiency means you can get the job done quickly and efficiently, without the need for frequent recharges. Featuring a 24-inch clearing width and a 20-inch intake height, this snow blower is built to handle large areas. Its design ensures that it can efficiently clear a path, saving you time and effort. The self-propelled feature with forward and reverse directions makes it easy to maneuver. Variable speed auger control allows you to adjust the speed to match the snow conditions, providing optimal performance. Built with weather-resistant heavy-duty steel and composite construction, this snow blower is designed to withstand challenging conditions. This durable construction ensures that it will last for years to come. What we like. This snow blower is self-propelled, making it effortless to clear snow from your driveway. It boasts a 24-inch clearing width, allowing you to clear a large area quickly. With the ability to throw snow up to 50 feet, it handles even the heaviest snowfalls. If you like the idea of a self-propelled snow blower with a wide clearing path and long throwing distance, you should consider this. What people say. It does not throw that far when diverted to the side. Assembly was trivial. There's a fairly nice headlight if you're out at night. Number 2. EGO Power Plus SM2102 21-inch Snow Blower. Introducing the EGO Power Plus Snow Blower. This powerful machine is designed to make snow removal a breeze. It's perfect for tackling those tough winter conditions. This snow blower utilizes peak power technology, combining the power of two 56-volt batteries. This ensures you have the power you need to get the job done efficiently. The snow blower features a high-efficiency brushless motor. This motor provides exceptional performance and extends the life of the tool. It's built to last. With a 21-inch clearing width, this snow blower can clear up to 8 inches of snow in a 10-car driveway. It makes quick work of any snowfall. This snow blower can throw snow up to 35 feet away. This helps clear your path quickly and efficiently. It's a great feature for any homeowner. It has a convenient push-button start and variable speed control. These features make it easy to operate and customize the snow removal process. You'll love the ease of use. Equipped with LED headlights, this snow blower allows you to work in low-light conditions. This feature ensures you can clear snow safely, anytime. It's a great addition for those early mornings or late evenings. What we like. This snow blower utilizes peak power technology, combining the power of two batteries for maximum performance. It features a high-efficiency brushless motor for optimal snow clearing. With LED headlights, it ensures visibility in low-light conditions. If you are looking for a snow blower with powerful performance and excellent visibility, you should consider this. What people say. When aimed ahead and not blowing into the wind, yes, it will make it, estimated, the 35 feet advertised. Assembly was trivial. There's almost nothing to do. It took me 15 minutes. There's a fairly nice headlight if you're out at night. Number 1. Greenworks 40V 16-inch Cordless Snow Blower SN40B410. This snow blower features a digital-controlled brushless motor. It delivers increased torque while maintaining quiet operation. This means more power with less noise. The 180-degree rotating chute gives you complete control. You can easily direct the snow exactly where you want it. This feature makes clearing snow a breeze. It has an easy fold system for compact storage. This makes it simple to store and transport. You can save space and move it effortlessly. It's compatible with the Greenworks 40V Li-ion system. This provides higher efficiency and longer run times. It also works with other Greenworks 40V tools. Clear your driveways, sidewalks, and patios quickly. It has a 16-inch clearing path and an 8-inch clearing depth. It can throw snow up to 20 feet. What we like. This snow blower offers quiet operation, ensuring a peaceful experience while clearing snow. It features a 16-inch clearing path, making it suitable for driveways, sidewalks, and patios. The easy fold system enables compact storage and hassle-free transportation. If you like a snow blower that is quiet, easy to store, and efficient for various surfaces, you should consider this. What people say. For storms later, some with heavy snow up to 12, I am totally impressed and feel very lucky that I found this little giant. I found out that this little machine can handle much more than 6 if you slice the snow instead of cutting close to 16 widths as you make each run. It's easy to put together and worked as soon as I started it up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.